Good afternoon everyone, my name is Namit. Before joining this course, I had prior to no knowledge about web development at all. But like after joining, after this 30-day presentation, I am very much well versed with technologies like React, Node, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. After joining this course, I have seen a substantial improvement in myself. Before joining, I was having no experience, no knowledge about MERN or any web development technologies. But after joining the course, after this 30-month journey, I am very much confident and well versed with the technologies which they have taught us during this journey. I would definitely recommend the training to others. If you are a beginner or a fresher, learn MERN Stack or web development technologies, then this course will definitely be helpful and it is definitely worth it. I would rate it 8.5 to 9. Thank you.